Using the body's own immune system to fight cancer has broken new ground in how we address difficult to treat tumours, and these innovations are set to change how we think about cancer care in the future. Bristol Myers Squibb is a leader in the development of immunotherapies, and through collaborations with clinical care providers is working to equip the health service with adequate resources to meet this new challenge. Sharon Thomas sent us this.
Every 2 minutes, someone in the UK is diagnosed with cancer. In 2014, there were more than 350,000 new cases of the disease. With new innovations in treatment being developed all the time, it's essential that healthcare providers are constantly adapting and planning for the future, including working with industry partners. Bristol Myers Squibb offers a range of solutions to the health service. The company is at the forefront of developing new medicines for the NHS, focusing on the greatest threat to our lives, such as cardiovascular disease and cancer care.
We've focused on areas of high unmet need, where unfortunately many patients have been left behind, where there's been advances in other areas. We're very proud at the record number of patients that have been treated with our medicines in clinical trials. Our role goes beyond just the development of these medicines. We at BMS have many different partnerships. One of the ones we're most excited about is with the Velindre Cancer Centre in Wales. And we're working with them to anticipate not just today's needs, but tomorrow's needs of the cancer patients that they treat.
Here in South West Wales, those who need it have access to a leading cancer research facility. It gives patients in this part of the Principality an opportunity to be part of world-class developments into treating a range of cancers. How important is the collaboration with industry bodies in terms of helping you with your clinical trials?
Well, it's very important that we collaborate strongly with the pharmaceutical industry. This is a global business. They have cutting-edge medicines, and when we run clinical trials, we're getting our patients access to these cutting-edge medicines at the earliest stage possible. The other important aspect of collaborating with pharmaceutical industry is finance. Although we get core funding from the Welsh Government to fund staff within the cancer trials set up here, we rely very heavily on money that we get from the pharmaceutical companies to run clinical trials.
Following successful clinical trials, planning for new medicines coming onto the market is integral to patient experience.
If you just turn first right, a little way down on your right-hand side.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
50 miles away in Cardiff, Velindre Cancer Centre is a world-leading institution which provides services to 1.5 million people in South East Wales and further afield.
Over here, we have where our existing site is, and as you can see, the development is the grey area down there.
They're currently building a new multi-million-pound centre, opening in 2022, and offering an innovative design and a more personal experience for patients. Here, the NHS is working in partnership with Bristol Myers Squibb. A newly designed tool means the data collected here will be used to predict future demand for services, anticipating the innovations that will eventually be made available to patients.
So we identified working with industry partners as being a critical success factor. What we're trying to do is re-establish the way that we look at transforming patient experience and their outcomes. And in order to do so, we really needed to work in collaboration with the industry to find different ways of looking at particular problems. So that collaboration was an excellent opportunity working with BMS to look at the whole area of immune oncology and revise and reconfigure the types of services that we were trying to deliver, centred around making it very personal as an experience for patients.
It's a really exciting time to be part of this new wave of innovation, providing unprecedented benefits for cancer patients. And at BMS, we're truly privileged to be part of this. It also means that we need to work differently with the NHS. Our partnerships need to match the level of innovation of these medicines, and together we can make a huge benefits for the patients that we serve.
We're now entering a new era of treating cancer, and by working collaboratively, it's making treatments available for those who may previously have had few options, allowing more choice, control and empowerment for patients with cancer.